Ah, Gallifrey. When you could see it, Vicky, that old planet. Second sun would rise in the south, the mountains would shine. The leaves on the trees are silver. When they catch the light every morning, it's like a forest on fire. When autumn comes, there's a brilliant glow through the branches. Yes. Ah, yes, Vicky, my dear. Gallifrey is beautiful. They call it the shining world of the seven systems. On the continent of wild endeavour, in the mountains of solace and solitude, there stands the citadel of the Time Lords, the oldest and most mighty race in the universe. Looking down on the galaxies below, sworn never to interfere, only to watch. Children of Gallifrey are taken from their families at the age of 8 to enter the academy. We stand before the untempered schism. It's a gap in the fabric of reality through which can be seen the whole of the vortex. We stand there, 8 years old, staring at the raw power of time and space. Just a child. Some would be inspired. Some would run away. And some would go mad. Me? Oh, my dear! The one that ran away. I never stopped.